I've been using Betterment and Robinhood for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased comparison between the two. So let's dive in and find out which one is the right fit for you. Betterment is a robo-advisor that offers a hands-off approach to investing, making it ideal for individuals who prefer passive investment strategies. It provides automated portfolio management, tax loss harvesting, and goal-based planning. Betterment charges a 0.25% annual fee for its digital plan with a $20,000 balance requirement or $250 monthly deposit to waive the fee. Additionally, it also offers a high-yield cash reserve account, currently earning up to 5.5% API. The platform is well-suited for long-term wealth building, offering features like automatic rebalancing to maintain the desired portfolio allocation. It's perfect for investors who want a well-diversified, low-maintenance portfolio. On the other hand, Robinhood caters to more active traders who prefer hands-on control over their investments. Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. It has a simple interface and is especially popular among younger investors looking for flexibility and ease of use. While Robinhood lacks the automated portfolio management features of Betterment, it allows users to engage in real-time trades and even offers margin trading through its Robinhood Gold plan. Recently, Robinhood also introduced retirement accounts, expanding its offerings for long-term investors. Overall, both the platform has its strengths and trade-offs. So the key is to find the one that aligns with your financial objectives. And as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.